It's a hot summer day. It's a hot summer afternoon in Christchurch, and you're walking down the street sweating. Suddenly, you step under the canopy of tall plane trees, and the air cools instantly. That moment of relief, that's an ecosystem service, one of the many benefits urban trees provide every day, including cooling the air, filtering pollution, and capturing stormwater. But how do we measure these benefits? We can't walk around with thermometers and flood gauges for every tree. But what we can do is measure the shape, size, and type of each tree to uncover these benefits. Currently, this is done the old fashioned way. Surveyors walk from tree to tree with tapes and clipboards, manually measuring every tree. Now multiply that by tens of thousands of trees across a city, and you've got a cumbersome job that's slow and costly. My research aims at replacing tape with tech to model tree benefits. What if we could measure every tree in the city without even leaving the office? That's exactly what I'm trying to do. I'm mapping the structure of the urban forest from the sky using laser technology, a technology that sends out laser pulses to capture trees in 3 dimensions. I started with data from airborne laser scanners. Using that, I could accurately measure the height and width of tree crowns across various parks in Christchurch. But airplanes can't see through dense canopies. That's where drones come in. Flying closer to the treetops, they revealed canopy depth and gaps, allowing me to precisely estimate the shape of tree crowns. But shape and size aren't enough. To understand what a tree does for the city, we also need to know what kind of a tree it is. So I'm now using multispectral cameras mounted on drones. These cameras see beyond human vision to identify species based on how each tree uniquely reflects light. By combining these tools, I'm creating a digital tree inventory. I will then feed this data into computer models that will tell us how much each tree contributes to temperature regulation, air purification, stormwater reduction, while also putting a dollar value to each of these benefits. So, this isn't just about replacing fieldwork. My research gives cities the tools to make smarter decisions about their green spaces. By understanding our trees better, we can manage them well, and ensure that their benefits are fairly distributed across all communities and neighborhoods. Because in the end, it's not just about counting trees, but making every tree count. Thank you.